Okay, let's talk about how we express things in terms of a fraction. So in my previous videos, I've talked about eating pieces of cake or chocolate or pizza. And the denominator represents how many pieces of pizza I ate out of how many. Well, here we're going to talk about my name. I couldn't think of any other example. Okay, so here I've got my name, Mrs. Walters. And I want to express how many W's there are in my name, but as a fraction, okay? So, how many W's are there? There's just one. Okay, so I wouldn't just write one though, because I'm trying to express it as a fraction. So I need to then figure out how many there are out of how many letters there are in total. So I need to count how many letters are in my name. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 letters in total. So 10 is my denominator, and 1 is how many actual W's there are. So my numerator is how many there are, and the one down the bottom, the denominator, is how many letters there were to choose from. So if I was talking probability, which is a different topic, if I was to talk about what was the probability of choosing a W if all of the letters were cut up in little pieces of paper in a hat, the probability of choosing a W is 1 in 10. Okay. Now let's look at R. So how many R's are there in my name? Which is a different colour. So there's one here, and there's one here. So there are 2 R's out of 10, but you'll notice that this number here can be simplified further because both of them are even. So in actual fact, it's 1 in 5. So for every 5 letters, one of them is an R. So if this was probability, the likelihood of choosing an R out of a hat full of letters of my name would be 1 in 5. All right, what about vowels? So vowel is this one and this one. So 2. So same, 2 over 10, also known as 1 in 5. So other ways of seeing fractions written, you might see it something like 1 in 5, or you might see it written as 1 out of 5. These are just different ways of writing fractions in words. They both mean 1 over 5. Thank you for watching.